This video is going to go over how to upgrade modules. First thing you're going to need is a repair enhancing module set. For details on that, view the mod group video. For best results, you want to start with modules that are not only max stat, but also a single stat module. Now for picking which type of modules you're going to want to upgrade, you should look at the max bonus types. What this is how many different types of stats can be on the module. The more max bonus types, the more points you get per level. The exact number is 5 plus the number of max bonus points, stat points per level, which this number is slightly randomized. Normally it's plus or minus 1 from that. And then of course if you do either of the black upgrading options, it gives you plus 2 points on top of that. So for actually picking what type of upgrades to use, there's the normal upgradium upgrade option. This will be the cheapest option. If the module can have more than one stat, it will randomly pick between them which one it upgrades, except for every 4th level will be guaranteed the primary attribute for the module, which the primary attribute is the first attribute number. Then you have the black upgrade option. This of course costs blacks, which the cost for this can be lowered with your enhancing all the way down to 1 per use. It gives you plus 2 stat points, but it also has the same randomization as normal upgrade. And then depending on the number of stats you have unlocked already, you'll have options like upgrade 1, upgrade 2, upgrade 3. This lets you pick which attribute you're upgrading. Now the upgrading cost for this is 20 times what the normal upgrade is, and the black cost is 10 times what the normal black upgrade cost is. But this is normally the best way to get the highest primary attribute out of a mod. So to go over the examples of how this works, I'm going to show you all 3 types. We'll start with the pick a stat upgrade. You'll of course get a confirmation whenever you try black upgrade something for the first time. It resets after several hours, I believe. Now of course, this only lets you do it until you're 25 levels or closer to the module's maximum level. Then after you do that, you're going to want to pick the black upgrade option and just do as 100 times, and it'll upgrade the module the rest of the way. And this will be about what you'll end up with. A really high starting stat, and then lower secondary stats. If it's a module that every stat that's available is going to be a useful stat, then for a slightly cheaper amount, you can use the regular black upgrade and upgrade it all the way. This will give you roughly the same total stats as going with the pick a stat, then normal black upgrade. It's just that it's less primary stat, and the secondary are all going to be higher. The last way is to just use normal upgrade without costing any blacks. Now of course this is going to leave you with lower total stats, and the more levels that the module actually has, the more stat points you're actually missing out on by doing it this way. Now to go over the examples of the end results for each type of upgrading. This module is the one that we just used normal upgrades that didn't cost any blacks. The total attribute points of this are 725. This is the module. We of course picked the primary attribute to upgrade first, and black upgraded the rest of the way. As you can see, the primary attribute alone is 725, which is the full stats of the other module. The end result of this was about 840 some, and then the end result of this was about 850. So the conclusion here is it's always best to black upgrade a good module, and normally you're only going to want to do the primary upgrade to get the most out of it.